Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I came with a very interesting website using PHP called Medium Clone. Yes guys, I have made a Medium clone in which you can post your article. Yes guys, let me show the interface first. But before that I want to tell something. My channel is new guys, so please support me, like, subscribe and share guys. And I will provide the interesting source code in my Telegram channel. Yes guys, if you want the source code, so kindly visit my Telegram group. There you will get the source code with database. Okay guys, so first let's start. First part we have to do, as you know, we have to start the jam server, the first two, Apache and MySQL. Okay, next we have to come in the local disk C. Inside that, go in the jam. Inside that, go to the htdocs. Yes guys, in there you can see the medium application which I created. There is the all files guys. I will provide in the Telegram channel. So now guys, now I'm not going to set up the full database. I have already set up the database which I will provide in the Telegram channel. See, I have created already here. Now directly let's go in the our website which is running on the local host. First what we have to type, localhost slash medium application. Hit the enter. Yes guys, see this is my interface guys. First let me log out. So I this is our the login page guys. See how it is. I am showing you the home page. This is the home page guys. There you can see some article which I have already posted. It will show guys, and even as you can start the writing if you will log in. Yes guys, see. So it is fully functional guys, which I will provide in the Telegram channel. Let me first sign in. Okay. Create new one. Okay, now choosing the name called Ninja Authority. Password 12356. Yeah guys, now click on the agree, then create the account. Before that, let me copy the Gmail ID. Okay, let's create account. So guys, you can see here it is saying the password is very weak. For that, use the strong password. Yeah guys, it is showing this is the password is strong. Okay, now let's create. Yes. Now this is my email ID. I'm going to log in. My password is same as the password. Now hit the sign in button. Yes guys, see this is the our log interface guys, where you can see that. This is the home page guys. Even I can show the name which is I have logged in, Ninja Hattori. And this is the profile section in which you can see the profile. Here is the profile Ninja Hattori. You can upload the photos also. Okay, well, here will show the email ID when you have joined. If you will write any article, it will show here. So this is the toggle theme guys. See, if you will click on the toggle key, it will walk. You can see. Now let me write some articles. Okay. Articles. I'm not going to write the full guide. I will just copy and paste from the any articles. I will just copy this. I will just paste here. Yes, guys. Then select the category. How to earn money? It means it is related to the business. Yeah, as you can see here, Ninja Hattori have posted category business, how to earn money, and this is the short descriptions. Okay. Now I'm going to show in the article. Here you can see if you will click in the title, you can go inside there where you can see who post, when post, here is the summary. Even you can like here, guys. See, this is getting like. See, right. You can comment here. I'm showing you. See, yeah, guys. See, this is the showing. This is useful because you have posted this. That's why it is showing here to edit the article and delete the article. So I'm clicking on the edit article. You can see it is here and it is properly working, guys. Update articles. Yes, guys, you can see it is updated. Now come to the home page. See, showing, guys. Here is the like and showing. Now log in with the another username. I see. I'm going to log in as another name. Sorry guys, I didn't get any name, that's why I kept this. Don't take it wrong. Created account. Yes guys, see, I have signed in as a teacher. Now I will show how to write. See guys, I'm going to write one another article. See. I don't know what it's open, but I will just copy it. But for showing focus on you, choose the category and publish. Yes, as you can see here, what is money? It is showing in the third position because see, it is sorted by the likes and subscribe. They both are like one like not so if you will, if I will like this one, what is over? See, I am going to like here, so it will show on the first. See, it is showing on the first. It is based on the like as it will show on the first and second class. So this is the simple. See guys, there is the name which I have logged in, sorry for it. But So this is the product guys which I have made, and I don't think so it is bad. If you want the source code images, I will provide in the Telegram channel. And see guys, this is the database, there is the articles and everything which I will provide you. The articles are getting saved here. There is the categories, comments, likes. Likes are also getting saved here. Futures. Let's see, this is it. So this is the enough for today guys. Thank you for the watching my video, and at the last I will tell to please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.